Do you ever see an online deal that's too good to be true? Well, this one actually happened. Thousands of people lost millions of dollars because of this scam. Hey, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how it works, why it's so effective, and how to spot it before it's too late. In early 2025, thousands of people fell for a fake promotion. Brand new laptops for just $1. The scam spread through Facebook ads, Telegram groups, and even comments on popular tech videos. The websites were designed to look real. They had fake customer reviews, SSL certificates, and professional design. But once you click buy, there was no turning back. Here's how they did it. First, they baited you with a super low price, making you act fast without thinking. Then they used fake security measures like HTTPS and logos of trusted payment processors to make you feel safe. Once you paid, they gave you a tracking number, but it was for a completely unrelated shipment, so you thought it was on its way. Finally, within 2 to 3 weeks, the website would disappear and vanish. Your money's gone. Scammers target micropayments because people don't usually dispute $1 to $5 charges. Small payments can slip past bank fraud detection, and it's easier to collect millions when victims do fight back. This method is called a low-value mass scam, and it's one of the fastest-growing online crimes in 2025. I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself from falling for this scam or any other online scams. Make sure to stay updated with the latest scams and threats. So here's how to do it. First, don't fall for deals that are too good to be true. Check market prices first. Next, look for real reviews, not just the ones on their site. Search on independent forums. You can also reverse image search product photos to see if they're stolen from another store. Next, check the domain age using Who's. Most scam sites are less than 3 months old. And finally, pay with buyer protection, PayPal, credit card, never direct bank transfers or crypto. Scams like this are designed to be small enough to ignore, but big enough to make millions when victims add up. Don't be the easy win for cybercriminals. Stay alert, verify before you buy, and remember, awareness is your best defense. If you want to learn more about online scams, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.